Gold remains in a range following a bid on Monday, having pulled back in on Tuesday's session. Tom Vitiello of Aurum Option Strategies, do you think that this is really anything different from 2014? Because it seems as if fundamentals have remained the same.
Well, you know, the gold correlations seem to, they last for about 2-3 days and then they break apart. I think what you saw in the rally up to the high 80s in 1280 and 1285 had more to do with Greece and some of the euro, people who are exposed to the euro maybe trying to lay off some of that risk in US dollars and also in gold. So sometimes you get this weird correlation where the euro goes down and the dollar goes, gold goes higher, which is kind of counter to the normal correlation that you usually see with the dollar. So we saw gold rally, so it rallied in euros quite a bit, and again, basically rallying in other currencies while rallying a little bit less, but still rallying in dollars. So now that all is well in Greece as of yesterday, so you're seeing a bit of a sell-off here. I don't know about the crude oil and gold correlation. That kind of, maybe you see more short covering with things like that, but they don't really stick together because I think gold would be a lot lower if that was the case.
Well, if you take a look at levels on the charts, it seems as if gold really has been in that 40-point range, anywhere from 1220 to 1260, 1240 to 1280. Are your expectations for that kind of trade going forward in the near term at least?
Right. We have, so basically there's around the world we have 0 to negative interest rates. So that's also been price positive for gold. With deflation, that's what happens. You have negative interest rates in Switzerland. So that's what's kind of holding gold. People thought that gold would be much lower at this point, but it's holding this 1200 level. So like you said, we have this range currently. The 200-day moving average is around 53, 1253 to 1285. We have the number on Friday, which could be quite important, maybe break out of that range.
Thanks very much, Tom. For The Street in New York, I'm Joe Malandrino.